How to hide BuddyPress members with incomplete profile. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Youzify tutorial video. In this video, we are sharing with you how to hide BuddyPress members with incomplete profile from the members directory. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar. Second, you need to install and activate BuddyPress Profile Completeness. You can purchase this plugin on the Youzify.com. We put the URL on this video description below. Once both plugins activated, please go to Youzify, then Extension Settings, and Profile Completeness Settings. And then, enable Hide Incomplete Profiles. Next step, you need to enable this completeness system on the certain roles. And then, select any restrictions you want to apply. It has 12 restrictions. Last step, select the profile components you want for your members to complete them. And then select Required or Force. And let's see the result. I log in with a subscriber account and try to leave the required profile blank. And my account is hidden from the members directory. Now let's see what will happen if I complete my profile. And here it is, my account is appear now. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.